It's going on the blooper reel. Hey everybody, it's Sarah.
And if you're new here,
welcome! I love using the jumbo popsicle sticks to stir my paint because they're large and they're long. Wait, that doesn't sound right. I had like 5 things on the way down. It's like a goner! Where's my cameraman? Where is he? Wes? With my arms tied behind my ass.
Behind your ass.
I'm gonna start over. We forgot to put a beat next there. Painting. That's what I do. I paint things. You can get it in 2-liter jugs. What is this thing?
Yeah, jug.
The jug.
What? That's the official thing. You say rolling when the camera's rolling.
Okay.
I know that's how it goes.
We're a fish. Okay. Ah. Happy date night. Get them pantyhose. Don't try to dump a bunch of paint out of a gallon. It's all gonna mix together. So lessons learned on this. I did not rehearse what I was saying.
Oh, really?
I know, is that obvious? Ta-da! Happy painting, everybody. Now we're gonna wait for it to melt. ASMR. I'll use those nunchucks. Hi-ya! Yakaka!
I don't think you know what nunchucks are.
I don't.
Those are swords.
Put it around a cup, and then got a little out of control there. That's it. So